Okay, I know this is a little bit of a weird intro. I don't know how I'm going to be putting everything together for this video, but I'm just going to go ahead and go right in. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well, having a great day, whatever it may be. So I know I look a little weird and you guys are just gonna have to deal with it because this is how I'm going to look for every single video unless I start doing different content, obviously. So for today's video, I was thinking about doing a smoky eye. Smoky eyes are kind of hard to really achieve and stuff, and I also kind of filmed a part earlier just in case I kind of forgot anything, so I'll insert that clip anywhere, whatever. I don't know where that clip is going to go, but I just kind of did a rundown what I was kind of gonna explain, but I was like thinking this was going to be a voiceover, but then I decided it's going to be a lot faster and easier to just go through with the talking instead of doing voiceover. So that is what I'm thinking. That's what I'm doing instead. So yeah, but I had already my brows ready. I'm gonna go off camera and prime my eyelids, and then I will be right back. And usually I kind of zoom in a lot, but I'm gonna see, maybe I won't zoom in as much as usual. Kind of want to see how that goes and if that works out a lot better, because I don't really concentrate on the camera obviously as much, or as in the viewfinder. I kind of get in the zone and kind of lose my place while filming, and it's just crazy. And then I don't have that much stuff to show you because I forget that I'm filming, and then I okay, get back in the frame obviously. So I know I'm kind of a little bit comfy today. It's kind of a little bit chilly outside and everything's open, so kind of a little bit cold. And then I will come back, do everything, because I feel like in all of my videos I kind of been showing how I prime on camera, and this one's not anything different to the ones I've already shown on camera, so I'm just gonna skip that and move on to the next thing, and we'll get straight into the eyeshadow. So let's go. But I kind of just want to kind of explain things before I even go in with this tutorial, and I know this is gonna be a lot of a different part than what the actual video is. The thing that I know that I'm gonna forget if I do obviously do this tutorial is obviously about the smoky eye, right? For me, I personally don't like black. I don't like black eyeshadow. I used to do it back in high school, which now that I think about it was really kind of cringy in a way. I kind of stray away from black eyeshadow. It could probably be the most pigmented eyeshadow or the least pigmented black eyeshadow, but I always try to stray away from it because sometimes I can use way too much black, and sometimes obviously black overpowers an eyeshadow look, and you can definitely use black to deepen up any eyeshadow look, but you really had to be cautious about black eyeshadow. For me, doing a black smoky eye is kinda scary for me. I don't mind doing a black smoky eye, but I just feel like because of my eye color, because I have such dark brown eyes, it the black kind of, I don't know, blends into it, or it's just, I don't know, the colors are too close to each other that it just, you really can't, I don't know, you just see the white parts in my eye, that's all you can literally see. When I look back at pictures, I'm like, okay, well, I don't like using black because it was too overpowering, and my eye color and black are pretty similar. I kind of do brown smoky eyes instead of a black smoky eye. Also too, a black smoky eye is a little bit more trickier to do than a brown smoky eye. Black smoky eye, you really have to sit down and really blend out the black and everything. You definitely can go in with black if you are obviously a darker skin color, if that is what you prefer. If you definitely have hazel eyes or blue eyes, green eyes, whatever, I think it'll look fine on you. And but for me, I have dark brown eyes, so I just really don't prefer black eyeshadow at all really. I just kind of wanted to like get that out of the way because I will forget if once I start filming that eyeshadow look. Yeah, that's all I wanted to try to get off my chest, but if anything, I will try to go back in and confirm. I will go back in and make sure I say something about it, because obviously if I forget something right now, once I am filming that tutorial, I will go in and obviously say what I did forget to say in this part. So yeah, so I just want to get that out of the way, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Oh, you like my henna? Yeah, it's nice. I like it. Alright, so I already primed my eyelids, and I'm just gonna go in and start putting on all that eyeshadow. Also, the first shade that I want to go in with is this one from the Morphe 35O palette. I don't know what the name is. It's Jolt, and I'm just gonna start kind of packing that onto my eyelid and just kind of tapping it in first. No blending yet, okay? You don't want blending yet. This is a risky color for me because this is almost close to black, and hopefully you already know what I mean when I insert that clip. So I'm just doing patting motions and kind of doing swirling, kind of going like that, like pushing that product in. This is a lot darker than I actually like anticipated, but you know what? I'll probably just go in afterwards and switch up the color or something. I don't know. And then I'm kind of just gonna start blending that out a little. Not too much, just so that we don't have any like harsh edges or anything, because it's a smoky eye, so we want it as smoked out as possible. And oh my god, it looks like I have a freaking black eye. Don't worry, that's gonna happen when you do like a smoky eye. It's okay, and it's looking a little bit purple. And that's the thing about like if you are doing with like such dark browns or like a black, it could potentially look like there is purple on your eyelid, but it's not. It's just how the blending goes for it. So then now what I'm going to do is take another brush and I'm going to blend out that shade as best as I can. And the shade I'm going to use is, I'm going to take this James Charles palette and I'm going to take T, which is obviously a lighter brown than before. Let's actually see if that works together. Okay, I'm just gonna pack it on, and I was just trying to see if it was going to be an okay color, and I feel like it is an okay color to use. Also too, I really hate kind of like dark browns because I feel like they come out so patchy. Like I keep using different browns for each of my like smoky eyes that I keep practicing, and I feel like it just comes out too patchy. And I use also different eyeshadow bases too. Like I've used my P. Louise, I've used my Too Faced, I've used other ones, I don't remember the names, and then they still come out a little bit patchy. I don't know why. Maybe that's just my eyes, I don't know. But I really like color on me, so I don't really like kind of go for these kind of colors. I don't know, I don't think I'm liking this one. Make sure I'm blending those edges nicely. And make sure you're also going in between all the colors that you're using, going back and forth, making sure that it is obviously nice and blended. You don't want to just have it there like looking like really like super crusty, and it looks like the same color. Like they literally look two different colors in the pan. I'm just gonna go in with Punch Me, which is this one, and I'm just gonna blend out those edges as good as I can. It's looking a lot better than before. I kind of just took that shade, that first shade, before, above like that second shade. It's not picking up right there. I don't know if like see it on camera. And then, of course, you would just clean it up. Sorry, I forgot I didn't have any more of these things. What are these called? Cotton pads. Yeah. And we'll see how it looks cleaned up a little bit. Okay, so if it were to be actually like actual like black, you would really have to be really super careful with it. Should I try it with black right now? A smoky eye to kind of give a little bit of insight of what I've kind of been working on lately, and that's why I kind of haven't really been filming as much, just because I've been kind of testing out different smoky eyes that I've been wanting to use, or that I've been loving, or I haven't been loving, whatever. Yeah, but right now I could definitely try it with black. But we could see. I'll just put it over those eyeshadows and you'll see. Black is really, especially this one in the James Charles palette, you're probably gonna have to be like super like careful, and we do have already a base on, so it's probably going to be a lot easier with blending, because we already have so many colors layered on. And you can tell that the more you kind of add color to it, it gets a lot more intense. And I'm just kind of blending. And this is a packer brush, so this is really good at packing on shades. So like obviously for like black, as an example. And then I'm gonna go in with that shade that I use, and this does the second shade, and just kind of blend it out. Even though we have already layers on, we still gotta blend that out, okay? And then obviously go back in with that lighter shade that we used to kind of blend everything out. Smoky eye is just too much for me. I don't really like smoky eye. So, and then for the lower lash line, you can do the exact same thing. It's not really that hard, and it's a lot easier to do on your lower lash line than on your actual eyelid right back. I hope I kind of like cleared everything up in a way. I mean, it's probably a little bit confusing because I'm doing like such like different things and stuff in the video, and yeah, I hope you maybe learn. I know it was kind of a little bit like messy in a way, so I kind of hope it was like okay. Oh, and that is, and also too, it's just kind of also like me throwing in my opinion about like if I'm wearing like a dark dress or something. I don't want to go in with too much makeup, and that is fine. If I were to be doing like a cut crease, like on camera, I don't think it would have like made too big of like a difference or something. Okay, this is a disclaimer. I did not feel like doing the other eyeshadow on camera, so that is why I also have different makeup on, because I did not feel like doing the other eye, and then yeah, I just did not feel like it. And I also don't know how, like, I didn't know how much time I had, because I think we're supposed to be leaving at 6, so I didn't want to kind of cut it too close. So I gotta go do my hair, get ready, do everything else. And so yeah, I will see you guys in my next video, and don't worry, it'll probably be more in depth on everything, maybe do some color, because I've been missing doing some color looks, so definitely look out for those. And if I keep doing fall looks, like, tell me to stop, because like I can keep going on with fall looks, okay? So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a like, subscribe, also turn on your post notifications. I always forget to say that because I'm barely getting used to this, so just bear with me. But yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.